Hey guys, it's me, Lindsay, and today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me with the Danessa Myricks Lightworks Volume 5. And I'm super excited. So let's get started. I'm zooming you in a bit so you can see my eyeshadow. It's been a while since I've just gotten ready. I'm going to Target today, and I just want to look a little bit more put together than I usually do. And I'm in the mood to do some fun makeup. Just using the Milani eyeshadow primer. I don't know if that'll focus, but sorry if I look down a lot in this video. I'm doing my makeup, so I can't really help it. How have you guys been? I still haven't done my sleep study yet. They have rescheduled me, so I still don't know if I have sleep apnea or not yet. But I've just been sleeping like a crazy amount. So I'm tired of like not getting restful sleep. I'm also gonna dip into the ColourPop 1111 palette, and I'm just gonna get some of these brown shades in the crease. This is the shade Lucky Babe, and I'm gonna just do that as my transitional color. Hopefully this brown on this shadow isn't too dark, because I've got a brush that's already kind of dirty, but it's got a brown on it, so it might turn out darker than what I want, but no, it's looking fine. I haven't really been working much. It's the off season, so I've had more time to devote to YouTube and stuff like that, which I'm kind of glad, because I love doing YouTube and I wanted to devote more time to it. This is gonna look crazy till I get the face makeup on. Oh, and I've got a lip tint on. It's this little it's actually from Dollar Tree, surprisingly. It's this Be Pure tinted rose oil lip balm that just kind of tinted my lips. It might not go with the makeup, but I can't really get the tint off because the balm leaves a tint. So I might put a lip color on over that if it looks crazy, but if it doesn't, I'll just leave it. I'm trying to decide out of this palette what color I want to do. I might do this shade Fearless. If you can see, it's next to the red. It's kind of like a white with a reddish gold shift. I've never used it before, so all these shades are just stunning. The camera doesn't even do it justice. And I might put the shade Fierce next to it, which is a red shimmer, using the same brush. It's looking a little brown on camera, but it's like a brown to red to gold shimmer. I'm taking a little bit more of that Fearless shade and putting it right in the middle. That looks really pretty. I hope it's showing good on camera. I can always step out in natural lighting too, because it's early enough. I'm not doing this super late at night, so I'll be right back. I'm back. Also, excuse my hair. I just got out of the shower and let it air dry, and it went crazy. I'm waiting to get paid to do my roots and everything again. So, okay, I found a primer. I've never used it. It's a little mini size I got from Ulta. But it's a poreless face primer. Smooths and refines pores. So, I'm going to use that today. Hopefully I like it. Ooh, it's really liquidy. It kind of feels like the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Primer that used to be out. I don't know if y'all remember that, but it's kind of oily, but that's good because my skin's kind of dry. So I'll put that on. This is what it looks like, by the way. Ulta Beauty. I don't know. I got that for free as a free sample. So I don't know if like they have that for retail sale or not. But then I'm using the L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade C.05, which is the lightest shade. I didn't realize I had a big piece of that primer on my eyebrow. Y'all weren't gonna tell me. Sorry if that looked gross. I'm still uploading the video. Sometimes I'll have like minor imperfections in a video, but then I'm like, you know what? I spent the time making it. I'm still gonna upload it. I hope y'all don't notice. And only I usually notice. Usually. But we're always harder on ourselves than other people are to us, I've noticed. And that's like that with everything in life, I feel like. I look so white on this camera. Oh my goodness. I am really white though. I'm like very fair. But on this camera I got the lights right in my face, so it's making me look even whiter. I hope the sun doesn't set before I get my makeup done. I don't think it will. I think it's been staying out a little bit longer. Yay for that. But, yeah. And then we're going in with some e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Fair Rose. And I'm just using the Paw Paw sponge from Amazon. I think it's a Shop Miss A brand, but I get it from Amazon. It's $7.99 on there for a pack of 6, which is not a bad deal. Because in the store, you can't get one Real Technique sponge for like $6.99. So, you get 6 of these for $7.99. And they're great sponges. So I would recommend, if you're in the market for a new sponge, check out these Paw Paws. Sorry, I know mine's dirty, but they're a light pink sponge. And they're really balanced. I need some powder stab. Sorry, I had to ignore my background. But this is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder in the shade Light. I also like the pink shade of this. But light works just fine. And one side of my puff is already dirty, so I just took this piece around, and the other side is completely clean. And I don't put any powder on my forehead because I don't like a dry, cakey look or anything like that. But I do put some on my cheeks. And for this, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match in the shade C1 Alabaster, which I think is the lightest shade of this, the lightest cool tone shade. And then I'm using the e.l.f. Infallible Bronzer in the shade 200 Fair. I've had this for over a year and I still haven't hit pan. And honey, let's bronze because she needs it. And then I'll do some highlighter. This is Space Age Prophecy by Kaleidos. Look how cool this packaging is, if I can get it to focus. Super cool. I don't know why my screen just went dark. It kind of matches my eyeshadow. I get so many compliments on this highlighter. And then I'm going to take the Juvia's Place Blush Rouge Volume 4. And I'm going to combine these two colors. Using more of the light pink and just a dab of the magenta. And I like a lot of blush, because my face looks dead without it. You know, when I was in high school, I used to never wear blush or anything. I would just go to school with a foundation on and no blush or bronzer. And OMG, I would wear that Dream Matte Mousse foundation that was orange that everybody used to wear. Girl, we used to be orange back in the day. Let's be real. They didn't have light shades back then. Everybody was the same color orange. It's crazy how far makeup has come. I'm using the Essence Lash Princess, and I just do it on the top lashes. Every once in a while I'll do it on the bottom lash, but then it'll transfer a little bit, and I don't like that. So it'll transfer because my eyes get watery, not because the mascara is bad. I think I want an orange lip. I think that would look better. So I'm going to do the NYX Lingerie XXL in the shade Getting Caliente. I really like that shade. At first I was like, do I look good with an orange lip or do I look strange? And I got a compliment on it, so now I know I look good. A compliment from my brother-in-law of all people. So thanks, brother-in-law, if you're watching this. I know you're not. But yeah, so that's the look. Let me try to see if I can take you out in natural lighting, and then I'll show you there. Okay guys, this is me in natural lighting. This is my makeup. Sorry if I'm like squinting. It's pretty bright out here. So yeah, this is the makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Until next time.